The very first thing you want to do is to get IMEI number of any Android phone. Once you get the IMEI number, you are good to go and get the activation date of that particular phone. For you to get the IMEI number, what you need to do is to open up your dialer, then dial star #06#. In a few seconds, the IMEI number is going to pump up. Click and hold down and copy any one of the IMEI number. Once you copy it, click on OK and exit from your dialer. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and open your Chrome browser. So I'm going to simply click on here to open my Chrome browser. Have you opened up your Chrome browser? Create a new tab. Next thing you want to do is to click on the search right here and type in IMEI info.info. So it's going to take you to this particular website right here. IMEI.info. This is the website URL right here. What you need to do is to paste the IMEI number right here. So I'm going to click on here, paste the IMEI number. Next thing you need to do is to click on check IMEI. In a few seconds, you are going to see the result right here. Scroll down and check on the detail about your phone. Here we go. You can see the release date right here, which is 2023. It's that simple. For more tutorial about how best to use your Android phone, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.